Welcome to Talk to Your Health. I'm Dr. Derek Da Silva. Well, flowers have many healing properties. Last week we spoke to Amy Cohen, a practitioner from the Emotional Health at Strongest Minds LLC, who introduced us to the medicinal power of plants. Today we're going to be talking about how flower remedies can help people dealing with behavioral issues. Thank you so much for joining us once again.
Thanks for having me.
So just a quick recap from last week. How does this work? What do these flower remedies do?
Okay, these are plant extracts, and they come from all over the world. And all of these different plants and flowers have different healing capabilities that are very powerful.
So when we talk about children, I mean, there are so many different drugs and things that are used on children today. Is there a role for these flower remedies with children, and how do we use them?
Yes, and it's a very powerful role. They're really quite amazing. So the way that we do use them is based on what the issues are, what the children's challenges are. We choose the right remedies, and you could go online and find all of this out yourself. And you pick the remedies that will help your child, and you give it to them in a spray, put it in the bath, put it on their wrists, however you want to give it to them.
But, and I want to make this very clear, and I wanted to make sure that we brought this up again from last week. This is not something you drink. These are things, as you said, for the bath, for your, you apply it to the skin. Correct? I mean, can you just elaborate on that a little bit?
You can, but you can also put them in drinks, in whatever it is that you are drinking, orange juice, whatever it is, to get it in as well. That's how I use it. But a lot of us, depending on how you want to use it, there are so many ways to get it in. For people that are it's hard to get to, we put it in shampoo, many ways.
Right, so here are some of the behavioral challenges and some of the traumas, and here's some of the remedies. Can we start talking about these things like cherry plum from Bach flower? That
is an awesome remedy, and it's to help our kids stay in control. I mean, we use this for adults as well, but sometimes it's very hard to stay in control.
Mountain devil. Sounds bad, but is good, I'm sure.
That's about anger, bullying, jealousy, to reverse that.
And red helmet. I've never heard of these.
It's awesome. It's about authority in school, being more respectful, and it also helps a dad and their child's bond.
So broom? Did I say that right?
About organization, about feeling better.
Okay. So doing this whole thing, parents can buy these things, they can apply them, they can put them in their drinks, they can put them in their baths. What kind of effects have you seen with this?
Amazing effects. Children that were really in trauma and children that are really struggling come out of it because you're just out of balance. That's where all this comes from. When you are feeling negative or no confidence, you're out of balance and you just get moved right back into balance.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today. That is excellent information. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.